I am in the very north of Minnesota right now. It's a pretty big park because it's just like a collection of lakes. I'm at the visitor center right now because I need to get some information about how I'm getting to my campsite, because I'm doing a campsite on one of the inland lakes. The weather's not great. It might work out for my favor anyways, because the lake should be pretty empty, hopefully. I'm headed through that little passage right there. Started from all the way back there. Looking at the map, I'm gonna be really close to the Canadian border. Like, I think closer than I was in Isle Royale. I still don't know the proper way to pronounce it, but I would say I'm probably like halfway there, maybe. I don't know. Maybe that's an optimistic guess. In total, it should be about like 6 miles of paddling. So not easy, but not like super, super bad. Can't imagine there's many national park entrance signs that you'd see just from in the water. It is very nice out here though, very quiet. There's some rain. I want to try to get to the campsite pretty soon because most of the clouds are fine, like light rain at most, but some of them in the distance look a bit sketchy. Right here, I'm in America, and then just across there, that whole coast is Canada. Pretty crazy. Made it to the trailhead. Finally. I am soaking wet, so I'm excited to hopefully get a fire going, change, and get some food in me. Should hopefully be a really quick walk to the site. There's where I docked at. Just pulled up the kayak. Hopefully that's right. I don't know. Well, good thing I'm not staying there. If it's even possible, because everything is wet. I want to try to get a fire going, dry off some of my clothes, and then get some food. The water is insanely clear. But this is how clear the water is. It does look very nice. I'm eating gourmet tonight. I got a canned gumbo. It is a bit of a windy morning, so hopefully it won't be too much of an issue getting back. I think it's pushing it'll kind of be pushing me to the side. I don't think it'll be head on. All packed up, ready to go. This was a really cool campsite. I liked having the lake right there. It was pretty awesome. Very quiet too. I think I was the only one. I don't know why I'm standing like this. I was the only person here, which is cool. Nice, very calming getaway. But now back to the action. The rain started to come down a bit now. I don't know if I should wait it out or just go, because it is raining, but the wind has died. So I feel like I'm more concerned about the wind than anything. And from when I checked the weather, it didn't look like the rain would last too long, so might be good just to get out in the water, get started. There she is. Hoping the sky clears up a bit and not too many boats on the water. I'm guessing it'll be about 3 hours of paddling, maybe. I don't know, hopefully a little bit less. My shoulders were feeling fine all of yesterday, but once I got back into the water, I'm feeling it. Just the paddling is definitely a lot tougher today than it was yesterday. Coming up on the narrow part now. There's been a decent amount of boats on the water, so speaking of, there's a few more coming up. They kind of slow down my progress because I pretty much have to stop and wait to ride out the wake, but hopefully I'll make decent progress through the gap. Just made it through probably the biggest open lake section. Kind of fighting the wind, and of course now when the wind would be helping me, it's completely died out. No more rain, blue sky. Well, not fully, but patches of blue. Yeah, honestly, it's kind of warm, which I was not expecting to say. Still a little bit of wind, and every time I think it can help me, it switches directions, so pretty much going against the wind the whole time. Might be going faster than I was yesterday, I don't know. I didn't time yesterday, but probably around a similar pace, maybe a bit slower just because my shoulders are feeling it from yesterday and then adding on to today, so but anyways, almost there. Here we are. Well, pretty much made it in a little bit under or a little bit over 2 hours, so not in a bad pace at all.